What gear can I use when I want to try macro photography? A brief overview, you see it here. Macro photography is a discipline that is not practiced by the large masses. Different from landscape, animal, or sports photography, for example, where the discipline is named after the subject of your photography. Macro photography is about the size of your subject. The examples you see clearly show this. Your first step can be your mobile phone, together with a lens that clings to your camera. There are of course qualitative differences, but it is a start. It looks like this piece of footage. Many compact cameras have a macro mode. These are often indicated with a flower. If you have a camera with a filter thread, you can also try conversion lenses. They are in different sizes, prices, and therefore qualities. For sale at various web shops. They enlarge and can sometimes even be combined. You get a decent result. Another fairly inexpensive way to start with macro photography is to use a reversal ring. This puts your lens backwards on your camera. Here is the combination on my Lumix. With a Nikon adapter. You get the idea. Here in combination with my Nikon D7200. Pretty nice, isn't it? Next time, tubes and lenses. And a start with what to photograph at home. I hoped you liked it. Stay healthy and see you again soon.